Alright, hello. Today we will talk about the wolf. Wolves are wild animals. They look like big dogs, but they are not pets. So wolves live in forests, as you can see here, mountain areas, and in cold places, like where there is a lot of ice, and ice is known to be white, alright? Wolves are carnivores, meaning they eat meat. So they hunt deer or they hunt rabbits and other small animals to eat. Now let's talk about how wolves communicate. So wolves communicate by howling. They use it to talk to each other, as well as they use their ears, tails, and eyes to communicate. Not just to communicate, but to send messages, of course. They are very fast and work together in their packs to hunt. So a group of wolves is called a pack. So baby wolves, these are called pups. Wolves are very fast. They run up to 60 kilometers per hour. That's very fast, all right? To conclude this, wolves are actually really smart and also strong, and to add to that, they also are social animals. I mean, that's why they live in packs. Wolves are really important for nature. They keep it balanced, and that's something that we really need to understand. So we need to protect nature by protecting the carnivores that hunt and keep animal numbers balanced, and we also need to keep their food as well alive. We should not interfere in nature, because if we interfere in nature, we destroy it. Done. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. This was Abdullah Ahabad, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.